Hey mates, what's up? Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to set up fully functional Linux operation system on a USB flash drive. You can run it from any PC or laptop. You don't need to carry extra hardware when you travel. It's hardware independent. It isn't a live CD, it's a complete encrypted operation system you can use every day, just like I do. And if you lose it, your data is completely safe because it's encrypted. You can even store backups on the cloud without worrying. And if speaking on backups, check out my RescueZilla video, it's super easy. And you can do a dual boot along with Windows without changing any settings, so it's hassle-free. All you need is a fast enough flash drive for the best performance, but it will work with any flash drive, and you can create the whole thing from a Windows machine in a couple of minutes. This setup gives you a true freedom to travel and work without anyone getting access to your data. Just carry your USB and you're ready to go. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have a Windows machine here. Let's plug our USB to the hardware you use, my laptop in this case. As you can see, it detects the drive. It's have to detect the drive. If it doesn't detect, just reboot your system and try again. Then go to the disk management. Let's remove all the partition and format the drive. It's better to use FAT in this case. Anyway, we're going to run over this flash drive. Now load your virtual box. And let's create new machine. I'm using Mint Cinnamon because that's my favorite operation system. You can download it from the Mint website. See, you have many locations to download it. And choose the easy location for the booting. Skip unintended installation. And for the hardware, you can give it minimal resources because we just use this virtual machine for the creation of the flash drive. And do not create hard drive, just check do not add virtual hard drive. Okay, now let's go to setting, check that we indeed booting from the Linux Mint ISO file. Go to the USB, enable the USB controller and make sure you use the correct controller version. In this case I use USB 3 and plus sign. Look for your drive, it will mount it while you're booting your virtual machine. Let's start our virtual machine. It's load from the ISO, and as you can see, it mount the flash drive. Let's go to this. We have the USB flash drive mounted. Alright, let's start the installation. I will disable the network because I don't want interruptions. Choose your language, and you will ask you to unmount the partition, no problem. Okay, here you use advanced feature, mark the LVM option, tick the encrypt the new installation Mint for security. Now you choose your security key, give it a password. In this case I use simple password just for the demonstration, but you need to make sure you remember this password because losing the password you don't have access to your operating system. It's all encrypted and the data is lost. You can enable a recovery key, but I will skip this option for the moment. Overwrite empty disk space and install it. Will warn you that all the data in the USB flash drive will be lost, no problem. And choose your location, set up your name, your username, computer name, choose password and encrypt your home folder and let it run. It will take a while, it's creating the flash drive. And when it's finished, let's reboot the system. Now you can delete the virtual machine if you don't use it. I'm rebooting my Windows machine and log to the BIOS of my laptop and choosing to boot from the new USB we just created. And as you can see, it's asked for the password. Let's enter the security key. And voila, we are running from fully operated Linux on USB flash drive. As you can see, it mounts all the drive. This is the file system. Go to disk, you can see the partition is encrypted. Reboot the machine. You have a fully operation system that you can customize, backup and travel all over the world and make it your production machine. Okay, let's reboot. remove the flash drive, and we're back in our Windows machine. I hope you enjoy and learn. If you have any question, just leave a comment and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible. If you want, you can subscribe and support the channel and like, and I wish you a lovely day. Cheers.